Best grow tent for a DIY sauna. Number 1. VivoSun Grow Tent for a DIY Sauna. The VivoSun Hydroponic Mylar Grow Tent is made of high-quality 600D Oxford canvas that is lined with reinforced PE layer and 100% reflective Mylar walls, which can effectively block all light from leaking and boost the output efficiency of your setup. The zipper part is also upgraded with a black inner lining to prevent light into the tent. There is no need for additional flaps or tape, you can just zip up to create a light-proof seal environment. The indoor tent is supported with strong metal poles, top bars, and tool-free corner connectors to lock the structure securely in place. The top hanging bar can hold up to 165 pounds. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Green Hut Grow Tent for a DIY Sauna. The Grow Tent includes a removable Mylar floor tray, and a 100% light-proof, tear-proof reflective Mylar lining to assist your indoor growing light fixtures and equipment. Increase the intensity of your grow lights and retain heat to keep your grow room at the right temperature for your plants, herbs, flowers, fruits, and vegetables to thrive. Sturdy frame and extra thick material, heavy-duty all-steel poles which are rated to handle at least 110 pounds. The frame is specially finished to ensure smooth installation and safe handling. The top-quality 600D Mylar is tear-proof and double-stitched for perfect light blocking. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Mars Hydro Grow Tent for a DIY Sauna. Mars Hydro Grow Tent interior is highly reflective and density diamond Mylar. An exclusive shade cloth is equipped on the stitching between zipper and canvas, avoiding any pinhole leaks. The 1680D canvas is double stitched, tear-proof for perfect light locking and keeps 100% lighting beams inside. Crafted with stable metal poles, corner adapters and top bars, this growing tent is superior for its durability, neither rusting nor paint falling. The thick and solid steel poles withstand more weight than other small grow tents. It's easy to assemble with pop snaps and holes. Quickly build up your growing setup for hydroponic grow and gardening in minutes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Melon Farm Grow Tent for a DIY Sauna. The Melon Farm Grow Tent uses 100% highly reflective waterproof Mylar lining to assist your indoor growing light fixtures and equipment. Increase the intensity of your grow lights and retain heat to keep your grow room at the right temperature for your plants to thrive. 600D canvas is tear-proof and double-stitched for perfect light blocking. The thick tent material reinforced by the metal poles ensures security and stability. Prevent odors from leaking out. The observation window makes it easy to peek inside and helps you to monitor your plants anytime. Large heavy-duty zipper door for easy entry and access. The storage bag is convenient for you to keep the tools and accessories organized. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Zazie Grow Tent for a DIY Sauna. Durable PA material adopted, anti-rust reinforced design, adjustable tightness according to the pole, hold poles tightly for firm support. Multiple vents to accommodate fans and filter. Ducting rectangle window with mesh to keep dust and insects out. Removable Mylar floor tray easy to clean. Our grow tent with extra thick Mylar, heavy duty zipper and double stitch guarantee the tent blocks all light from escaping. On the interior, a 98% reflective Mylar lining makes your lighting setup more efficient in any power configuration. An advanced grow tent designed to create optimal climate conditions for year-round growing indoors. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.